I have to get you individually to respond to my challenge that you're going to be great. Now you have to say to yourself, yes, if that guy Hamming can go out and become a great scientist, I can. Or I can become a great person. I have to get you to say to yourself that you want to, that it's worth the effort, and you're going to try to be something more than just the average person. Now, while we speak of teachers, we are really coaches. I cannot run a mile, the 4-minute mile for you. I can comment upon your style. But you know you must do the work. The same way, I cannot make you a great scientist. I can criticize style and other things, but I cannot, by mere words, make you a great scientist. You, just as in running a 4-minute mile, must do the work, which means you have to take what you hear and read, think it over carefully, discuss it with your friends, and see what you can adapt to yourself. There is no one style which is successful. Painters paint many different styles. You have to find a style that fits you, which means you have to take what fragments you can from other people, use them, and adapt them and become yours. You can't copy me directly. You won't get away with it. And I will use the analogy of painting as an example. In painting, once you've learned color mixing and form and sketching and so on, you study under a master who you temporarily accept as knowing what he's talking about. Well, there are limits to what can be done. You know that if you copy the master's style exactly, you will not be a great painter. You know also that if you paint in the style he did, or she did, it's too late. The future wants a different style. Thus, I can tell you about the style I used in the past, but that won't be the style you'll have to cope with the future. You must manufacture the style which will make you a significant person in the future. So it's not easy. Well, I can only talk about past ones and make references to possible future ones. It's a problem you face. What I did would not make me successful if I were starting now.